no see. Anyhow, we've been sort of diligently working along slowly but never ever surely on Bluey the diesel. Now, I know it's been a while, but we've got a lot to do, you know. I've finally got my rooftop tent, and I'll show you where that is. There it is there. That's my rooftop tent. That's a Pop Top King's rooftop tent. Quick, 2 minutes, that'll do me. I'm just in the middle of building the slide cupboards for in here. So, to go across here, and then I'll be locking them in with this here, with the bar going through those. As you can see, the checkouts here. So I've checked it out, and then you put the bar through there, and I'll just put a screw in here, and that'll hold the bar, and it won't go anywhere. I'm just doing a square, just getting these for the sides. There'll be a double drawer here, so we're going to put one there. There'll be a drawer here, there, another drawer here for coils and food. So that's what I'm doing there. That's a meter, and we get the fridge, which is down here, my 70 litre fridge, and that goes in there. That's a metre long and 400 wide, so that will be in there, and goes from there to about here, goes to there, and then that's the battery area there, my dual batteries. Up there is for water and fuel. Then I'll have all that left over, but that'll be built up to this height, except for there. That'll stay down, and that'll lock the drums in. Over here will be my storage underneath. It'll go to the first seat, just up here. That'll be cut there, so I can take that out, and I'll have 2 seats to sit up. I'll have that, as I said, raised, and as I said, to that level there. And what I can do is I put my detectors under there and my backpack with the gear in it, and it's easy to get at. On the top, well, I've got all this right up to there of extra storage, so that's pretty cool. It's just been a while, so I'm sorry, but that's my life at the moment, with all the goings on, ply and everything. It all cost a bit of a quid, so you know, I'm getting there. And I've got a heap of stickers I got from I'll get around there. We got from G&S Prospecting. Thanks, brother. I'll be putting them on my car and give one away. One's already on my girlfriend's car. Then I've got some Secret Creek ones, and I've got some Pete's Gold Rush Gold Adventures coming, so he's sending me some. When I get them all together, I've got AMNs and I've got a few others, and I'm going to start putting them on the car and show you who they are, and we'll put them on, and we'll make the truck look a bit more like a gold hunter's car. Yeah. Alright, so that's what we're doing. Hang with me. It takes time, I'm sorry, but that's how it goes, brah. So we'll get there. We're slowly getting there. The car's running good. I've had it all done, put new shocks, and had all the front end done. It cost a quid. There's $1,000 odd, over $1,000, and that's really cool. So just put the pop-up on top, put the solar on top of that, which is behind there, behind the bed, and run the wires down. We're going to run the wires when the pop-up tent's there. We're going to run it down through a thing that guides it. Come through here. We're going to come through here on that side, run it down here. I'm going to put a hole in here with a grommet, and then run it through. Comes out here, down here. Run it up there to the dual batteries, and Bob's your uncle. And a few other little items I've got to do. So we'll get there. Takes time. I'm sorry I haven't done a video, but you know, this is part of one. So hang 5, guys. Alright. Get it up. There we go. And this is Bluey and the Surfing Prospector out. And I'll give you some more updates as we go along. New pop top tent, that's going to go up on here. The silos coming up on here at that height. Now this is how easy these things are. I've just done that in. Go up the other end. Do that one. And then we just give it a little push like that. We're in bed. That's it. The little ladder goes on here. And that's a little King's pop-up tent. That'll do me nicely. So, I only got to put a bar on here, one over here for the solar panel. So, that's my next job. I've done a bit in the car. I'm waiting sliders. So, yeah. Anyway, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. It's a bit of time, sorry, but we're going next year, next season over to WA. So you know, you'll be able to see some of the good stuff there. Woohoo! We'll get some nuggets. Going with Wayne, and this is what we've got to so far. You can see here, that's there. Fridge goes up onto here, comes to about here, and we'll stop about here. It comes to about here. You can see some marks. That's rough. I can't do anything until I get these sliders because I don't know how thick they are. So we'll have two drawers here. We'll have one up about this height for tomato cans and things like that. We can put in there, and then the next one is just coils and things like that, or coils down the bottom, food up the top. Over here we'll have a drawer here for my burner. Goes in there, gas cylinders, knives and forks, things like that. And we draw that out, and then a little slide out top, just to put, you know, prep food on or something like that. Maybe. We'll just see how we go. Up there is the battery box, as you can see. We'll take you up here. Here we're going to, that's not going there. We go to here, we got the batteries, two batteries in there. We'll have a vacant, I've got to put a roof over that because the coils go there. So the coils don't fit in this bit with the detector, so it goes up in there, goes there, backpack and all that just here. Me backpack with me batteries in it for me detector, and pick, things like that. All the things I need for that, and I've got a little bit of storage under there. Then we'll have all that top. I'm going to put a stopper on the edge so things don't move. I'm going to put rubber mat probable so things don't slide. So that's what we're doing there. Ooh. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. So as I say, top there. So we've got this up and around there. As extra storage, I can put containers, put my clothes or whatever I want to do. Some drums up there, got to put water in here yet. I'm thinking about that. Might do some pipes, I don't know. But we'll work it out. But that's the go. That's the tent. And that's inside. Look, we even got a pillow. So, yep, that's her there. $250 I got it for. Normally $1,000 bucks. So that's pretty good. She's in good nick. Hardly ever been used. Anyhow, until next time, hang on. We've got more to come. We'll have the finished product. And we're going for a camp, hopefully not this weekend, but the following. It's been just raining, it's raining now. you look out there, it's just pouring. Just pouring rain now. It's bleak as. It's been like this every weekend for a month, easy. You see the water in the car. Pouring rain again. Car's going well. Got that big sheet of ply to go. My table of tools, my Triton saw bench I found on the side of the road, I resurrected. So, yeah. Alright, catches all. Hang loose. Well, we're getting there. There's timber everywhere. Bits and pieces and shit and crap. Sorry about the word. Solar panel's got to go on. But we got our drawer fridge slide with the locking mechanism. We got our other drawer here coming along. That's the top fridge, bottom drawer. So yeah, we got that one's a short drawer with a storage up the back, but it's going to have a little lift up here so I can put stuff in there. And that'll be her. We're getting along. Well, the electrics will go down here on this edge, so that's going to be good. But we're getting there. It's just slow. So far, it's only cost $400 and something. Another guy cost $3,000. Anyhow, more updates later when it's a bit more done. That's she's getting there slowly, people. But yeah, losing weight a little bit. But anyway, look at that. Hey, figure I'm in for 70. Anyhow, there she is. She's that's another drawer done there. That's the mood along. Another one to go on the top for the fridge, and locks up. That's the other two there. That one goes in, and then this one. You got another lock there. I got to put the fronts on them yet. So yeah, there you go. It's a bit of work. But anyway, we're getting there. Then the rooftop tent. Yeah. Bye now. Here's the gear. Oh dear. Beer time. Hoo-wee. She took some time, but we're getting there. So she's nearly all done. I'll give you a look. That drawer to go in, that's the fridge one. It's only shallow. Strength bar on the side. Goes in on the top one here. And this one here is me two drawers. Another one on the bottom, of course. Another one over here. And then I got a trap door here, which I got to just put a hinge on it. And that's my trap door. Batteries in that one there where it's got a slide. And then you've got all that storage right across there, across the top to put stuff. Electrics go up here. So all the electrics go here. Solar controller goes in here like that, starts there, and all the other stuff down the bottom. And that is how she's going to go. That's how it's going to go. So we're getting there slowly. Bits and pieces here everywhere. There's 3 sheets of ply. And yeah, I found this saw table on the side of the road. And I bought a power saw for it for $20. Just got to fit this now. Fit this with the old brackets here. I'm going to put this on the side here, like that. And then that's me roof rack. And that's the bar over there. This bar. good enough thickness. You go across 2 of them and then bolt it to that, and that should be fine. And we're nearly home and hose. Another day or so. Anyhow, that's how she's going for Bluey the diesel. It's a little bit of work in progress, but we're getting there. Anyhow, see you soon. And this is the type of shit we've been getting over here all the time in Australia. For those who live here, you know what we've been getting. And here it all comes again. We had one day no rain. Yeah, she's been naughty. And I can't get to the river. But anyway, that's what we got. Look at that. Menacing vortex of death. Today we got the ladder the other day. I got to make an extender on that. And today we got my new solar panel. See if I can get it out one-handed. It's supposed to be 300 watts. That's tiny. If that's 300, and that's the size of that, and look at the size of this one, it's nearly as tall as me, and that's only 180. 190, is it? 190 watts. And this is supposed to be 300. .300 watts. That's what it says there. Wow. Well, that's the size. That's amazing. It's only tiny. I didn't need that big roof rack. Anyhow, that's the next project. Put that on, put the electrics on, and the batteries in, and we're nearly ready. And carpet. Anyhow, catch you next bit. Well, g'day, surfing prospector hanging loose here. We've nearly finished the car. It's only got a solar panel to go up, which I've got to get a bit of ply to go up there. It's got to be fixed. The big one, as I said, was too heavy, so we got the flexible one. I can't believe the difference in that, 300 watts. And it's only 1 metre long, and the other one's 1.5 metres, 2 metres by bloody 1 metre and a bit wide. So yeah, anyhow, I'll show you the car and we'll get back to you. Flower Gold Wizards is just a ledge. Wasn't you, Jace? Hang loose, bruh. So anyway, we'll have a look in the vehicle, and I'm going to be putting the stickers on, but it keeps raining, so as you can see, you got a bit of precipitation on the car here. You can just see a little bit of it there. I just cleaned all the windows and rained again. So where I'll be putting them, down these black sides so they show up. Some down this black side here, and here, and here, and down here. So when it dries I can put them on. So when it comes up, you'll see it in the next special of TV, you'll be able to see it. Now, what we've got, the drawers, a bit of carpet done. We've got all the electrics in, so they're all ready. That's a Bluetooth dongle, that's Bluetooth for this, so I know exactly what powers I got. Inverter, me USBs, and power points there. So that's all wired up. Fridge is in, and I think that's 70 litres. Then we got our bit of carpet, and the box here goes in. There's one bit of carpet to go on there, that one there, and that's done. And we the drawers, as you can see, all good. This is a lead light, $10 at the cheap shop. It's pretty good, $10 with all different lights, and it's got a remote, USB. Woohoo! And that'll go around a tailgate somewhere here, and that gives me the yellow light for mozzies and things like that. So that'll be cool. As I said, the batteries are in over there. Just got to connect all the wires up. That's the lid to that. It goes on there. Whoop. When it goes in the hole, there you go. That's the lid. Things go up in there. Got to put just a stopper in there, and the other box goes in here. Detectors go up in here. Cartons of beer in the corner and stuff. Gear down here. And yeah, she's pretty right. And this is the other part of the box that I'm just finished up. That's the carpeting box there, door, and that's your detector goes in there. Just got to rig up some water, and we're pretty much done. There's not a lot to do, and I'm hoping to get out and done. I had to build on here because it didn't give me a ladder. I had to build these for the ladder. I put this on, and you can just put the ladder in there, and on both sides. And this is what I did. I'll take you over. I built those hooks. So because this ladder is not the original, and it's a bit short by that much. So that worked all right. Bent that up out of steel, and cut it all myself and stuff. So yeah, and that's her, guys. Bluey the Diesel. I've just got to paint that black. Might even put a bit of carpet on it, not sure yet. But yeah, we're nearly ready to go. Bit of stuff in here. I've already, that's me drawer. So these won't be going here. There'll be pots and pans up there and stuff like that. Probably put a knife drawer here, something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, so that's what's going on. All works quite well, as you can see. There you go, she comes out. Fridge, good. Figured out how to get the lead to go back in, so when you push it back in, she just goes straight back. Doesn't even catch. Gotta love that. Anyhow, that's how it is, and hopefully up in the mountains soon. I'm dying to get out there, I tell you, but every time I've had floods, what can I do? Not a lot I can do. You know, it's raining again now. So anyhow, not as bad as Jason's one. Geez, that was pouring, mate. The wind, holy dooly. Had a shave too. Anyway, I'll catch you on very shortly with the sticker update. Thanks to all the guys that sent them to me. Cheers. Bye now. Well, g'day. Surfing Prospector. We're on to the stickers. We've got a clear day. So, what's going to happen is, we've got the flowery on. We're going to do some stickers. I'll give you that man like... Scary, eh? Anyhow. Happier face now. Alright, so what we got is, we got some stickers. I'm going to take this off here and show you. And take you over and show you what I got sent from the crew around the world, mainly in America and stuff. We got Pete's Gold Adventures And old mate, he gets a lot of old mates, that's the lead shots. 9 Finger Mining, your Creed. Vendetta Prospecting, and then A&M Prospecting over there, Evergreen, Old Secret Creek, the Dog, Rigby and the Flower Wizards, Captain Drone, Buffalo Chris. Get on that bronc, boy. And this is, oh, it's hard to read that one. What does it say? Otis Farris, that's it. Otis Farris Prospecting, and old mate AU Van GNS Prospecting. G'day mate, thanks very much you guys. Then we got the Red Wrangler, Fat Bastards. He was into fishing over there, and getting to see Sam and Tanya. They do a bit of swearing, but that's okay. He puts a warning. That's Sam and Tanya on Fat Bastards Prospecting. Get and watch him, he's really good. He gets a lot of gold. They're going to start going around and doing what I do. And of course, Treasure Adventures, we'll put them on. So that's a few of the stickers, and then I got a few for when I do giveaways later on with gold and prizes that I do. So we got some of those. So I'd like to thank all you guys for sending me stuff there. That was awesome. And of course, Chris from Secret Creek Prospecting, thank you very much. That was awesome of you, mate. Didn't have to go that far. Just a couple of stickers is all I asked. But you went way beyond. And I thank everybody who does that. Same as Flower Gold Wizard, Jason. Killed it, mate. Thank you very much. So anyway, we're going to put some on the truck somewhere. So let's see. Secret Creek and stuff. I might put on somewhere on here. I've got to clean this glass again. I'll turn you off and I'll put them on. Bye now. Alright, let's put a couple of stickers on, huh? A bit too far in. So, first up I'm going to do Secret Creek Prospecting. It's going to go right here, on the back here. Just playing around and clean the glass, so just see how we go in. Secret Creek. Kirk. Got Chris, that's who I'm thinking. Buffalo Chris, well, you're going on the side round there. And GNS Prospecting. GNS, hey you bro, good on ya. Send you over something for you fellas. Put him. Put him there. Get out. Some of these stickers are tough. That's a smart one too. We'll put you right beside him, eh? What about that? There you go. He's there with the old mate. Rigby's going fine. Where Rigby's going? Got a folder? No. Another hard one. We haven't put Rigby on one of the coils yet. thing to do, guys. Come on. Oh, this is clean. Oh. Right. Flower gold wizards. Oh yeah. Go to Jace. I'm going to put you, Jason, over here in this corner. This area. Jason's there. Then we've got around the corner. Come around here, take you around this side. Put one in, eh? I'm going to put Buffalo Chris just here. So that's Buffalo Chris. Got an easy one, beauty. Buffalo Chris is in there. And then Otis Farris. Where are you going, Otis? I'm going to go for a holiday somewhere around Australia. Because that's where we're going soon, people. Next year we're going over to WA again. Oh, geez, they're hard to get. Got him. Otis Farris. Put you up in the corner here, buddy. There's Otis. Then we have Evergreen Prospector. Maybe you can have a holiday down here. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Woohoo. Pete's Gold Adventures. Now Pete's a really nice guy. Go over and check his channel. He makes a lot of his own stuff, and he finds a bit of gold with the old 4500 and the gold monster down in Victoria, the golden country, what we call the golden triangle. We give Pete a bit of a call out, and go and check him out. He's going alright. Oh, geez, these are hard guys. I wish I would make them like them other ones. A little bit of a split in the back works a treat. That didn't work, sorry. Get another one. Put the paper back on it, and that didn't work. So, then we got 9 Finger Mining. Oh, Creed. Awesome bloke. He's been having a bit of troubles over there. He had a bit. Got a bit crook. We'll put you up there, big fella. 9 Finger. We got Vendetta, So these are good when they got these little breaks in them, makes it easier. That's the way to do it. And Vendetta, we'll put you right here, buddy. Vendetta. Now we got A&M. And Mel, I think it is. Thank you very much, you guys. Put in. Get it undone. Sorry if this is long-winded, but hoping to get out soon, up to the mountains. It's been raining a hell of a lot here, boys and girls. So A&M, I'll put you right here. Look in the middle. How about that? I'll keep you warm. That one didn't work. It's paperbacked. Pete's Gold Adventure. Adventures, I should say. He's going right here. Pete's Gold Adventures. There you have it. Here's some of the lads. And there you go. I'll get you off here again. And there you have them. They're all on there. Buffalo Chris. Ian Prospecting. Otis Prospecting. Vendetta Prospecting. Nine Finger Mine. Evergreen. Pete's Gold Adventures. And we come around the back. Ooh, yeah. We have Flower, Gold Wizards, the man. Kirk at Secret Creek Prospecting. G&S Prospecting. You go, guys. Cool stuff. Take it easy. And let's hope we can get out soon and get this rig going. Bluey, the diesel. He's got the new canopy on. Just got to put the one bit of ply on, put the solar on, and she's right. She's nearly all ready. One little bit of carpet in the drawers. That's it. Finished. We're all ready to go. So let's give me a bit of a break there, as I've been off for a while, just doing all this. So it's taken a little bit. It's cost me tent, all the gear inside, probably 700. Not bad, do it yourself. So that's the beauty of knowing a little bit. So hang loose. Thanks very much. Stay subscribed. Press the like button. You know, do what you've got to do. And we'll see you on the next creek, eh? Get some fine gold.